Fifth standard students, let us start from page number 153. In this you can see, look at the table. If you were to write the area of each of this, which column would you choose? Make right tick mark. That means handkerchief, the area of handkerchief always we measure in a square centimeter because it is small. Sari's length not more than that 6.5 meters. So we will so in front of this we will put tick mark. In this way you will do page of your book, centimeter. School lane always will be school lane will be in the meter. Total length of city will be in the square kilometer. So put against tick mark. Door of your class room, meter, square meter. Chair seat, blackboard, Indian flag, land over which a river flows. This also you will put and you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. Now see on the next page. Draw a square of 9 square centimeter. 9 square centimeter. You have to write here. The area is given. Okay. Write A on it. Draw another square with double the side. Write B on it. So what we will do? Area is given. With the help of area we will calculate side of a square and then we will draw the square. That name we will give A. Then whatever side square A is having side, multiply by 2 and another square we will draw and we will give the name of this square B. And then answer this question. The perimeter of square A, that means the formula 4 into side. So whatever we will solve these sums. The side of square B, given the area of square B, side into side, we will write the area of square B is how many times it is greater or smaller than. We will decide this. The perimeter of square B, we will calculate the perimeter of square B is how many times the perimeter of square A. So let us start. Now see here, given the area of square is equal to 9 square meter. Now we know that the formula of area of square is side into side. That means in place of area we will put 9. 9 equal to side into side. Side into side, because we have to calculate this. So this unknown value we will take left hand side. So side into side is equal to 3 into 3. So side into side, side square, and 3 into 3, 3 square. Square cancel by square. Okay. So side equal to 3 centimeter. Now with 3 centimeter length you will draw a square. Okay. In the Interleaf notebook you are doing this chapter. So on blank page. Then on the lining page you will write double of 3 centimeter is 6 centimeter. So the square with length of 3 centimeter you will give name A. And with 6 centimeter you will give the name B. And then whatever questions are asked in the textbook you will reply. What perimeter of first square? So perimeter, that means 4 into side. So side you will multiply by 4. And if perimeter they are asking for a square B, so 4 into side. So 4 into 6 centimeter. 4 into 6, that means 24 centimeter. You will do. And this fill in the blanks you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. Then you will copy. First I will check. Okay. Now children, see at page number 150, puzzle pass through a postcard. Can you think of how to cut a postcard so that this already I explained, you have to cut only. Now how you will do this activity, and on my personal WhatsApp number you will do this activity and you will send. Now see here what you will do. You will take one postcard. First you will measure the length and breadth of the postcard. Then cut the postcard only on the lines. Only on the lines. See here, from here in zigzag way. Okay, now you will get this shape. So you can pass through it. That means you can pass from this loop. You know the area of the loop, don't you? It is, so already I told you, first you will, what you will do? Length and breadth of the postcard. Okay, first you will make this loop and then send on my personal activity, your video. Okay, now see next activity, thread play. Take a 15 centimeter long thread, make different shapes by joining its ends on this sheet. That means you will use for forming any shape this square sheet. Okay, now which shape has the biggest area, how much, what is the perimeter of this shape, which shape has the smallest area, how much, what is the perimeter of this shape. Also make triangle, square, rectangle and a circle. Find which shape has biggest area and which has the smallest. It is an activity. So suppose that you have taken thread, first you formed on this sheet a rectangle, then inside the square you can count. So full square you will count full as a, and more than half also you will count one, less than half you will neglect. Already I explained you how we count the squares. In this way you will calculate the area and you will write. And for perimeter, suppose that you have drawn formed a rectangle, then outer, that means on the border or outside of the square you will count. Clear? So in this way you will make, and this activity also you will send. Okay, you will do by making a video. Madam, I have made triangle, then perimeter of triangle is this and area of triangle is this, circle. So this you will do yourself. Okay, perimeter, area for each. So tabular form you will write shape, perimeter, area and count and then fill the table. Okay, if we want to change the area in kilometers, so 25 kilometer will be the area of the leg B. Now if see here, I am telling you how we can count the area. More than half it is covered. So 1, 2, more than half, or half also you can count this, half, it is half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, half of 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and this half, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, approximately half, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25 kilometer on the ground approximately, because in the square maybe little bit difference, but not 1 or 2 squares, maybe not more than that. Okay, so you will do first, then I will send you answer key of this. See king's story. The king was very happy with carpenters Chengu and Anar. They had made a very big and beautiful bed for him. So as gift the king wanted to give some land to Chengu and some gold to Anar. Chengu, take as much land as what comes within 100 meter of wire. That means you can cover the land that is 100 meter of wire. Chengu was happy. He took 100 meters of wire and tried to make different rectangles. He made 10 by 40 meter rectangle. That means 10 meter long, 40 meter long and 10 meter wide. So its area is 400 square meter, length into breadth. So he next made 30 by 20. When we will calculate area of this, 0, 0, 3 2s are 5. What is its area? Is it more than the first rectangle? Yes, it is more than the first rectangle, because the area is 0, 0, 00 and 3 2s are 600 square meter. What other rectangles can he make with 100 meters of wire? Discuss which of these rectangles will have the biggest area. Chengu's wife asked him to make a circle with the wire. She knew it had an area of 800 square meter. That means big. Circle if you will take, then you will get, I want this piece of land. It covers an area of 800 square meter. That means circle. Why did Chengu not choose a rectangle? Explain. Why? Because in the rectangle we are getting less area. Oh, Chengu has taken 800 square meters of land. And now I will give you as much as gold wire which can make a boundary for land with area 800 square meter. That means you have to take that much of boundary so you can cover the 800 square meter area. 100 meter wire is then this. So what happened? Because maximum in 100 when you will divide by 4 equally, because and if circle, so area of circle is pi r square, the formula, but 100 is the, you can see the 100 wire is long. How much length of wire is? 100 meters. Okay. Now see, so Anar also tried many different ways to make boundary of 800 square meter of land. He made rectangles A, B, C of different sizes. Find out the length of the boundary of each. How much gold wire will he get of this rectangle? Gold wire for A. See here, 40 by 20. And what is given? Form. So area we will find. So area will be 800 square meter, 800 square meter, length into breadth, and 800 square meters. But then Anar made an even longer rectangle. See how long. What Anar did? Long, 8000 meter length and 0.1 meter. That means 10 centimeter wide. So he will get dash meters of gold wire. Now do you understand why king fainted? Gosh, how can I give so much gold? Because he done this work. Can you make a rectangle with a still longer boundary? I made a rectangle 1 centimeter wide and 80,000 meter long. Imagine how long that boundary will be. With that much gold wire, I can become the king. So this activity you will read carefully, try to do, and you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. Bye-bye.